virtual class of Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai Education Department. I am Mrs. Akshata Kale and today we will learn maths. Okay, now we will move to the chapter. And today we are going to learn maths of standard 3rd. The topic name is number work. The students, in the last lecture also we have done about the number work part 1. In that we saw about the hundreds and how to read 3-digit numbers, correct? And how to write 3-digit numbers and how to make 3-digit numbers from the given numbers. Yes. Now students, we will take a quick recap of the last lecture and then we will proceed to the today's lecture. Students, you can see here the number strips, correct? First one from 99 to 110, second one from 215 to 226 and the third strip is from 399 to 410. Now, observing these number strips, we have to fill the boxes here. See here, we have to fill the boxes like this, means before number or after number or middle number. See students, the first one, the first box is empty, so here we will write the before number of 104, that is nothing but 103. Now in the second, 109 is given and then the empty box is there, means we are going to fill the next number, that is 110. Now next one, 216 is given and we have to fill here the before number and the after number. See, before one is 215 and the after number is 217. Then 222. Before is 221 and the after number is 223. Right? In the next one, we have to fill the middle number. See here 223 is given and 225 is given. Which is the middle one? That is nothing but 224. The next one is 408, 409 and 410. Okay, this is revision. What we have done in the last lecture, all this, correct? Now students, here you can see a alligator. Alligator is a form of crocodile. Okay, alligator. See, there are two numbers, 67 and 76. Correct? Now, see the alligator. It is very hungry and it wants the greater one. It opened its mouth towards the greater number. You know that 76 is greater than 67. So it opened its mouth towards 76. Okay, we will take one example. See here, you can see two chocolates here. Two different types. One smaller one and one bigger one. Now, if I ask you which one you will like. Yes, surely you will like this. Correct? Because you like chocolates and you will choose the bigger one. Same here, the alligator chooses the largest number. See this? Here, this. Whenever the alligator opens its mouth, means you have to remember it has opened its mouth towards the bigger number. See, this symbol says greater than. Got this? If the symbol is like this, means the open side is greater number and the closed side has smaller number. And the same vice versa, if you write in the opposite direction, then it becomes less than. Got? You only remember that the open side means the greater number. Bus. Only that much you remember. Then the rest all automatically you will come to know. And this you know equal to. Okay, if you are clear with this symbol, we will use numbers and we will choose the proper symbol in between the given numbers. See here, choose the right symbol. Here we can see 6 sums are there. Now we are going to choose the proper symbol between these two numbers. First one is 14 and 22. Yes, 14 is less than 22. See, the open side is near 22. Okay, close towards 14. So how we will read this? 14 less than 22. Now 50 and 28 are there. Then 50 is greater than. So here we will use like this. 50 is greater than 28. The next number is 78 and 87. Don't make confusion in this. 78 is smaller than 87. You know that, right? So again here this symbol. How we will read? 78 is less than 87. Next, 3-digit numbers. Here 515 and 876. Yes, 876 is greater number. So here we will use like this. 515 is less than 876. The next one is 356 is less than 445. The last one is 895 is greater than 432. Got this, children? Yes, you can make this practice from page number 12. Correct? In your textbook on page number 12, same sums are there. Then you can practice that one. Okay, students, now we will take some numbers and some marks of students. How many marks they got in maths. Okay, out of 100. And we will see who got more, who got less. Okay. See, maths marks of 3 students are as follows. Raj got 45 marks out of 100. Suma got 70 marks out of 100. And Leela got 65 marks out of 100. Okay, can you tell me who scored more? Yes, you are right. Suma scored more, that is 70 marks. Correct? And who scored less? Yes, Raj scored less, that is 45. Okay, now can you write this in the ascending order? What is the meaning of ascending order? Means smaller to bigger. Means from less marks to highest marks. See, Raj got 45, that is less, you know. And Suma got highest marks. Means 70 marks. Okay. In between, Leela's marks are there. So we will write like this. See here, 45 first Raj. Then Leela 65. Then Suma. Suma got highest marks. Ascending order means from smaller number to bigger number. Okay, we will write the same numbers in descending order. Descending order means that is ulta or vice versa. First we will write highest number, that is Suma's marks, then Leela's marks, then Raj marks. Raj. Okay? Got this? Ascending means smaller to bigger. We will make this concept more clear. See students here. 1, 2, 3 and 4. You know that 1 is less than 2 and 2 is less than 3 and 3 is less than 4. Means here the numbers are written from smallest to largest. Correct? Here when we write the numbers from smallest to largest, then that order is called as ascending order. Remember this. A is starting. anything you can remember. One technique we will take. A is starting alphabet, correct? A, then B, C, D, means in your mind you can put like this. A is smaller, B is a little bigger, then C more, then D largest, like that. Okay, ascending. When the word starts with A, means you have to write from smaller to larger. You can make like this technique, and you can it will become easy to remember. Okay. Now what about the descending order? Here we have written 4 first, then 3, then 2, then 1. Means it is from largest to smallest. Okay. Remember, same here in the vice versa of ascending order. Now students, here given numbers, ascending order, descending order. Here numbers are given 217, 271, 270. You have to write this in ascending order. See, like this. First it will come 217, smaller number, then 270 larger than 217, and the last one is the largest number. Same, write in the opposite direction, then we will get descending order. First 271, then 270, then 270. If you go through this silently, then you will come to know. See this again, ascending and descending. See 888, 788, 688. Very easy. First 6 will come, then 7, then 8. In the opposite, means in the vice versa position, 888, 788, 688. See dear students, one more. This is a serial numbers. 499, 500, 501. In the descending, 501, 500 and 499. See the last one. Yes students, is that clear? You have like this sums on page number 14 of your textbook. You can go through that one. Okay. Now here, making biggest and smallest 3-digit numbers using the given digits. See the numbers are given 463, 463, 705, 169, 370. Okay, here the numbers are like this. You have to make smallest 3-digit number and a biggest 3-digit number using these given digits. See here 4 is there, 6 is there, 3 is there. When we are going to make a smallest 3-digit numbers, we will write the numbers in the ascending order. Very simple. See 3, first I will write 3 because it is a smaller one. Then I will choose 4. Then I will choose 6. See how I written from smaller to larger. That is ascending order. Same here in the 507. Yes students, here 0 is smaller than 5. But we can't take 0 in the first position. Because if we take 0 in the first position, then it has no value at all. Then the number becomes 2-digit numbers, that is 57. Okay, so here we can't take 0 in the first position. Here next one, smaller, bigger and biggest. Okay, in the last one again, like the second one, 3, 0, then 7. Now same in the descending order. This is very easy. Whatever we have written in the second column, we have to write same in the opposite direction. First we have to write a bigger one or the largest one. Second, smaller one, and smallest one in the third place. Now students, see this. I have taken a number 845. Now we will see the place values. 5 is in the unit place, 4 is in the tens place, and 8 in the hundreds place. Correct? You know this. And what is the place value of 5? That is nothing but 5, because 5 ones are 5. What is the place value of 4? It is in the tens place, so the place value is 40. And what about the place value of 8? 8 is in the hundreds place. To 8 into 100, that is nothing but 800. Okay, we will add all these. What we will get? Here 5 in the units place, because 5 plus 0 is 5. 4 plus 0 is 4. And 8 here. See this? Same number we got again. That is called as expanded form. See? We can write the expanded form of 845 like this. Same number we will write in the expanded form. Expansion means खींच के बड़ा करना. See that 800 plus 40 plus 5. Got this? See how we will write 78 in the expanded form. 70 plus 8. Yeah, 93. Correct. You know that 90 plus 3. The next one is 77. That also you know, that is 70 plus 7. Very good. This is called expanded form. Remember this word, expanded form means bada karna. Students, we will see the expanded form of 878, 963 and 707. We will see how we will write the expanded form. See, 8 is in hundreds place, so it is 800 plus 70 plus 8, because 8 in the unit place. Just we did for that 845 in the earlier slide. Got that? Now the next one is 900 plus 60 plus 3. Isn't it? Because 9 in the hundreds place, 6 in tens place and 3 in the units place. The last one is 700 plus 0 plus 7. Why it is 0 in the tens place? Do you know? Yes, because 0 is in the tens place in 707. So we are going to write 700 plus 0 plus 7. Got this, children? Now write the number from its expanded form. See here, expanded form is given. We have to write the number. Okay? 760 and 4. You know that? Because we did in the before slide that 845, how we did? Like that. Here 764. 570. In the unit place 0 is there. So here 570. 0 will come in the unit place. 398. Got that? Yes, students, see this page number 12, page number 13 and page number 40. Whatever we learned today, all is there on these pages. Please work out. Solve the sums from this page. Okay, it will become very clear for you. Thank you.
Thank you very much, students, for being a part of this lesson. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get new updated videos.